Hey guys, I'm Dr. Chatter, and recently I've seen there was a video on how to adjust your own pelvis. Now, having it done from a chiropractor is one thing, but having a person who just adjusts their own hips for the fun of it is another. So here's a person who is a non-chiropractor that adjusts their own hips. So we're going to have him demonstrate how he does it.
All right, so it took me a... Okay, first of all, let me just say, you look dumb when you do this if you do it in front of people. So keep this in the privacy of your home. But it took me from going from a chiropractor to feel how they kind of do it for me to learn how to do it myself, okay? I can't believe I'm doing this on camera. I'm so going to regret this. All right, here we go. All right, so what do you call this bone here? I don't know.
So your pelvis.
Your right side of your pelvis, right? So I'm going to adjust this side, okay? And this, for me to adjust, I need to take the pressure. I need to take the pressure off. So I'm going to bend my knees slightly, okay? So it takes the pressure off. I'm going to drive my hand in as I force my hips backwards, and it'll adjust my pelvis and the sacrum in this area. So right here, right there. And then here the same way. Kind of get set up on it. Find your palm right there in that pocket. Relax. Oh, a little one just went right there. That's great. Right there. And get the other side. And you see people a lot of times just do this one and get that. I can't believe I'm doing this.
Oh my God, thank you so much for that. See you next video.
Thank you guys.